This is the time when this 21st Congress of ours that has just concluded has concluded at a very challenging time that is there before the CPIM. But this 21st Congress, if we need to characterize in a sentence, I would characterize it as the 21st Congress of the CPIM. This is the Congress of the future. There is a Congress of the future for our party, for our country, and on the basis of strengthening our independent strength, the left unity, on that basis, striving to build and building the left and democratic unity of the left and democratic forces. I shall, to the best of my ability, try and discharge the responsibility all of you have put on me collectively and collectively to strengthen the theme of our leadership, and that resolve of ours should make us today go out of this Congress with the slogan that we shall fight and we shall win.